Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today video I will try to explain how we can earn money from ChatGPT. Using ChatGPT we can write a book and we can sell on different platforms like Fiverr, Freelance and so on, and Amazon and many platforms that you can sell your book there. So let's start how we can write book using ChatGPT. So first of all, you have to choose a title for your book, right? So how you will search for your title? For example, I have some example here. For example, the first sentence I will write, generate a great title for a personal Amazon FBA business. So I want to write book on Amazon FBA, so I will write here, okay, and I will click on enter. You can see that the ChatGPT give me a title, and if you like this title you can choose this title. If you don't like, you just click on regenerate response. If you click on regenerate response, then they will give you another title like throwing behind border, the journey of personal Amazon FBA business. If you don't like this one too, just click on regenerate response, and you can see that it will give you another title. If you like this title, then you can choose copy this title and paste in your Word file. So you can see that I search and I have three titles now. One, you can see the two and one, three, right? These three titles. Okay, for example, I think the second title is very good. I like it, and but the title is too long. I want to make it shorter, so I will write here, please make this title short, and copy and paste here and enter. You can see that they will make this title shorter, behind border my Amazon FBA journey. So it's very nice that the title is very short and very attractive. So I will copy this and I will paste here, and this will be title for my book, okay. And you can change you can find the suitable template for your book, and you can put and change you can change the text font and this thing, but I just give you an example. So you can choose by yourself that which one do you like, right? So this will be my title for my book, right? And now is okay, I choose my title for my book. Now I will try to, because for book I need the content, right? List of chapter that I need for my book, right? So now I will try to search for my chapter. You can see that I will write here, generate 5 chapter from this title. If you want 5 chapter, you can just write here 5 chapter. If you want 10 chapter, you write 10. It depends on you, and I will click on enter. Now you will see that they will give me a list of chapter that will be included in my book. So I will copy. These are the list of chapter for my book. Okay, you can see that these are 5 chapters for my book, and I will copy these, and I will copy all the chapter from here. Okay, come on, let me copy this chapter, and these are the 5 chapter for my book, and I will go and I will paste here. You can see that it's very easy and very useful, that the title for the book, the content for the book, you can see that is very nice. And now after getting content and the name, I need detail about this chapter. How can I explain this chapter? So now I will write expand this chapter. I will copy this, and I will write here in ChatGPT. I will write here expand this chapter, and I will write here expand this chapter, and I will copy the chapter 1 taking the leaf, and I will copy this and I will paste here, and I will enter. Now you will see that it will explain the chapter 1 in a detail, and I will copy this data from here and I will paste in my Word file. So okay, I will now I will try to copy from here, and I will give title here for my chapter 1, and this is my chapter 1. I will make it a little bit bold, and then it's fine, right? Okay, fine. And then I will try to I'll go to my ChatGPT. You can see that it's give me some detail about the chapter 1, and I will copy this detail from here, and okay, come on, let me copy the detail from here. Okay, fine, and I will paste here. Sorry, I will paste in my chapter 1. If you think that the detail is less, you need more detail, so you just write here, I need more details. I need more detail here, and just write here, I need more detail, and ChatGPT will give you more detail about the exploring the Amazon FBA market and these things, and will explain each and everything. So this is very useful for you, that for sure you need to change something, and you need to do some efforts to give your book a very beautiful and a very attractive template and these things. So you can see that they are explaining in more detail, and we can copy this too. So I will copy this too from here. Sorry, I will copy this detail from here. Okay, I will copy from here, and I will go to my book and I will paste here. So you can see that is very nice. They have a paragraph, they have the detailed explanation. So if you want more detail about this chapter, you just write again, I need more detail, and it will give you more detail. So you can complete your 5 chapter like that, and it's so easy, like, you know, in few minutes I write 1 chapter. But if I want more data, I can just expand it more and more, so it will be, I will have more detail, and then I can write a very good book. And the other one, if you think that if you're the text you get from the ChatGPT is it's have plagiarism or not, so just write here, is this plagiarism free? Sorry, just enter. You can see that I just asked him that, is this plagiarism free? You say yes, all the content I provide is original and plagiarism free. It means that we can use this book to sell, to earn money, right? So for that, you know, you have to now you have 1 chapter, you try to find get 1 more 2 second chapter, 3rd chapter, 4 and 5, and give make a very beautiful template for your book, and then you can sell these books on Fiverr. Like for example, I will go to Fiverr, and I will show you that how you can sell your book on Fiverr. You can see this sell book. When you search here, then you will find that how you can see that there are many people, they are selling their book, and you know, you can see that in day, if you can sell 1 or 2 books, and you can earn a lot of money, like $64 and $24, $98. So you can write book on every topic, and just come on Fiverr and upload your book here and make money. So this is a small detail about how you can write book using ChatGPT, and how you can earn money using ChatGPT. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.